was my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy. She gives me hot cold fever. She leaves me in a cold, cold sweat. I gotta be cool, relax, get hip, get on my tracks, take a back seat, hitchhike, and take a long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. Raise the little things all over. Wow! Once upon a time you dressed so fine, through the bumps of time in your prime. Then you people call and say, beware doll, you bound to fall. You thought they were all kidding you. You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't talk so loud. Now you don't seem so proud about having to be scrounging for your next meal. How does it feel? How does it feel to be on your own? Like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone. Hey, voices at the steeple and other pretty people, they drinking, thinking that they got it made, exchanging all kinds of precious gifts and things. You better lift your diamond ring, you better pawn it there. You used to be so amused by Napoleonic dreads and the language that he used. Go to him, he calls you down, you can't refuse. When you got nothing, you got nothing to lose. You're invisible now, you have no secrets. You can't see it.